Hello friends, today's topic is about pseudouridine and thymidine in the tRNA. So particular uridine and thymidine both are the pyrimidine nucleotide. So already you are knowing that uridine that is particularly found in the RNA molecule and thymidine is found only in the DNA molecule. But how this pseudouridine and thymidine is found or form over the tRNA, that we will look in this video. So first of all, about pseudouridine. It is also called as pseudouridylic acid, which is found particularly over the Cy arm of the tRNA. tRNA is have a particular clover leaf like structure, and over that clover leaf like structure particular arm, particular Cy arm, that is containing pseudouridylic acid. So this uridine which is attached over the ribose phosphate, because RNA molecule which is containing ribose sugar, so over that ribose phosphate, yeah, this uridine is attached with the carbon carbon bond, which is not a normal, which is normal, that is CN bond. So in this UMP, instead of that CN bond, CC means carbon carbon bond, and that is making pseudouridine. So that we will understand from this picture. So normally this UMP means uridine monophosphate is formation, means over the ribose sugar, here that second carbon that is containing hydroxyl group, so it is ribose sugar, ribose phosphate. Over that, normally what happen, first carbon of ribose sugar, it is attached over the first nitrogen of the pyrimidine ring structure. Now here 2,4-dioxopyrimidine, that is indicating uracil. Now instead of that normal CN bond means N-glycosidic bond formation, there is a CC bond formation, and that's simply called as pseudouridine. So same that ribose phosphate, over that instead of that normal CN bond, there is a CC bond formation, and that is called as a pseudouridine. So that simple thing which is occurring over the tRNA molecule, and that making presence of particular pseudouridine over a structure of the tRNA. Further, this pseudouridine formed by the simply modification of the UMP, but the main difference between this uridine and pseudouridine is that pseudouridine is excreted unchanged in the urine. Normally what happen, uridine is metabolized same as the other pyrimidine, but this pseudouridine is excreted unchanged. Because of that main or characteristic of this pseudouridine, sometime it can be asked to identify structure. So first of all, you have to remember there is a 2,4-dioxopyrimidine pyrimidine is there, it is simply uracil. So here ribose phosphate is there. So here because of this hydroxyl group over the second carbon, so it is ribose sugar. So that is simply a UMP structure is there. But you have to remember what is the main difference. CN bond, that is normal, but the CC bond, that is abnormal characteristic, and it is indicating CC bond, that is indicating particularly pseudouridine. So this one is related to the pseudouridine, and this one is particularly uridine. Further, in detail of this thymidine which is found in the RNA, that we will look. So particularly in the tRNA, sometimes thymidine is seen. So thymidine is not present normally in the RNA molecule, but they are found only in the DNA. But UMP which is present in tRNA molecule, means uridine monophosphate which is present in tRNA, that will be converted into the TMP. So it is not directly present, but conversion of UMP into the TMP, and that is possible by S-adenosyl methionine, that is again a active methionine. So active methionine that is converting uridine monophosphate into the TMP. And how this, only this addition of this methyl group that is making this UMP into the TMP, that you can simply understand from this picture. Only picture of uracil and thymine, that will explain everything. So here that 2,4-dioxopyrimidine, and here that 2,4-dioxo-5-methyl pyrimidine, and that is called thymine. Thymine M for the methyl group, that also give you hint about the methyl group which is present in the thymine. So simple, what you have to do, just adding of this methyl group, and at this adding of methyl group is possible by this S-adenosyl methionine. So that will convert uracil into the thymine. So thymine is generally not present in the RNA, but this UMP that will be converted into the TMP, means thymidine monophosphate, particularly it is found in the structure of the tRNA. So that two things that you have to keep in mind. It is a rare thing, but sometimes it is asked in the exam in a molecular biology. So this pseudouridine and thymidine which is found in the structure of the tRNA.